Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. This is a quick start guide to help you get started with your machine so you can get operating as soon as possible. I made this video just to make it easy for you so you can quickly get going. Okay, so starting off, when you receive your package, as soon as you open the box, this is the kind of things you expect to contain inside your package. Number one is this glass jug here, right? So once you have received it, you'll get a lid, the head, so that you can open and close this particular jug. You will expect to receive at least this blender stick, so that when you blend and stuff, this thing will help you make it easy for you to move or push down your ingredients during the time of blending, right? So you're going to expect to receive two blades, right? I believe within the market currently, not many detachable blades like us. So you're going to expect a 4-leaf blade as well as the 4-leaf blade and 8-leaf blade. The function I've explained to you in our instruction videos already in our YouTube channel. But here, let me just quickly explain. So this is a 4-leaf blade used specifically for grinding meat, right? And this one for everything else. So this is a little instruction and little information on what those blades are for. And then in the actual package, you expect to receive a form. I also a little what do you call it? I would say spatula, for you to, if you need to to take any ingredients off the sides, so and so. This is what this spatula does. And then you expect to receive a little cleaning brush to make easy for you to clean the actual jug. But normally, when you clean your jug, you can use the automated function, or you can remove the detachable blade and use your washing foam, and it's very easy to clean off. And then you expect to receive one of those filter. Normally, the fruit juice or the soy milk, whatever that you're making, normally shouldn't have much parts in there at all. But we provided this anyway, just in case if you ever need to use any of this to filter anything. This two things would be there to help you, right? And for soya milk, you don't really need to use this, just for the sake of, for some who just absolutely do not want any single soya bean bits, right? Even powder, then this is to help you filter out at an even greater level. Okay, so this is this two are little filter accessories here for you. So okay, I've now explained to you what you have. This is a steam jug that you have, so you can easily, let's say if you want to steam things, this steam jug is for you to use. You can just put water in there and put your little steamer, whatever ingredients you want to steam, and then you literally just need to close the lid, close the jug, switch on, and just press the steam function. There is a steam function right here, so right, for you to do your steam cooking. Okay, let me just put aside all this particular things so that we can quickly get cracking and help you set up this particular machine. So how are you going to expect to use it from the very beginning to get go? I know you're probably excited. You just received your machine. So first you need to plug this into the actual plug. We provide a free pin plug with our Chefmate machines. And you're going to expect to install whichever blade that you intend to use. Let's say you want to blend juice or make your soya milk or soup. So you just plug this in, right? I have the instruction on the actual playlist already for you to follow. So in order for us to install this blade into the actual jug, it is extremely easy. First, I just want to show you this particular 8-leaf blade. On the bottom, you can see like there is a handle on the sides, right? So you just need to face this handler one line with the one line sign inside the jug. Then you just push in, right? Once this is in, you turn right. Now the blade is is ready to go. So now you can put your ingredients in there, and you can start using it for blending, cooking, so on. Let's say you want to take out the blade. It's also extremely easy. You just need to turn this side, right? So turn left. So hold it, turn left, and just pull it out. So it's extremely easy. It's made to be detachable, so when it helps you to make it easy for you to do washing and change your blades. So now I do exactly the same. So you can see this one line here, right? And I'm just going to face this one line down there, and we'll just push this down, right? And then turn right. So turn right. As you can see from here, turn right. There you go, voila, it's done. Do know this machine comes with a security function to ensure the machine does not operate when your jug is not at the right place or the lid is not locked properly, just so that it doesn't end up burning your, if you have children, doesn't end up burning them if they get too curious with the machine. Or the second thing is, if you forgot to lock this up properly or put it on properly, right? And especially when things get hot, we do not want to put you in this danger. So we have security function on detector here as well as here. So the reason you see E2 here right now is because the security things are not locked. So you cannot operate or function this machine, right? So you need to make sure you put this, number one, that this part is securely on here, right? There's no space or gaps here. And then you just need to make sure you lock this up, right? The way we are going to lock this up is by put this in here like this, and then you need to turn all the way to a line here, right? You can expect a click sound, and then when you put it back onto the machine, voila, the machine now is operational for you to use, right? So let me just quickly put this closer so you can see how I operate this particular machine. So let's say now you have the ingredients in the actual jug. You follow the recipe book or from your own very book, and then you input all the ingredients. All you need to do, just press on, select one of the recipe menu here, right? Let's say you want to make soy milk, so and so, and then you just need to quickly, you see the light flashing right on soy milk, right? You just need to press on, and then the machine is ready and it's starting to make, right? One thing you'll notice that there is a temperature. On here, what you can expect is number one, temperature display here all the time, right? When you select the menu, normally temperature shows first, right? It will show you all the way until it heats up to the temperature where it's ready to start grind and blend. Then you will see the amount of time, let's say, left. Let's say you're making a soy milk, you put all the ingredients in, you selected the soy milk function, right? And you press start. What you see right now is the temperature showing you is going up all the way to 100 degrees. And then afterward, it's going to start blending, and it's going to show you it's 30 minutes left until the soy milk is ready, right? And then, but on situation where you want to grind things, grind spices, whichever it is, then you're going to go to grind, and then you will see right now it's showing you is 20 seconds for this particular function. So, right? And then when the time finishes, it will automatically notify you and it's ready for you to use again, okay? So this is how easy this machine is. I'm not going to go further into other functions because you can easily accessible to the playlist and look at each particular function you need to understand. For example, the power level, the actual time, warm-up function, and other self-cleaning functions. Me and my team has already made that video for you, so you can access that, so the video won't be too long for you. Okay, there is a very, very important thing I need to explain in regards to the actual measurement on the actual jug that you see here, right? You can see like there is 3 red lines here. Number one, the reason they have this measurement on this particular jug is so that it protects the machine. So some users don't end up putting way too much ingredients or the materials in the actual jug, so that it can end up damaging the actual motor. Okay, so excessive ingredients can damage the motor and the machine, and it reduces the life expectancy of the actual machine. So we have to be careful with this, right? So the very bottom part, can you see the first red line here? That is the actual amount of blend the ingredients for grinding that you can put in here. So let's say if you want to grind meats or spices and so on, so do not put beyond this line, right? And some people, they can put way too much meat in there. It can be really stressful for the actual machine to grind. And then the second one is the amount of hot level you can put into this machine. So let's say if you already got hot water and you want to, let's say, cook soup or anything, right? Like if you were straight away put hot water in there, that is the maximum level that you can put in there. And then on the third one is the maximum cold level. So if you were to, let's say, make juice or so and so, then you can put the cold ingredient like water and so and so all the way up to here at this level. Okay, so that is the that is what all these three lines are for. It's just so that it gives you a clear instruction on what's the maximum capacity you can put into this jug. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us on the onboard video. We do provide you with 14-day money-back guarantee since the day you buy this, and then after that you have 2 whole year warranty with us. Just in case if there's any problem with the machine, we'll take care of it through repairs and so on so for you. Okay, so thank you so much for trusting us, and I look forward to hear from your feedback in regards to this product. Have a nice day. Bye bye.